Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today's review comes by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man, for sending it along. This is Twisted Ramen with their chicken flavor ramen cup. Hey! I guess it's made here in the U.S. I don't know who the heck's making that. And it's a one-piece noodle cup. I have no idea. Interesting. Okay, well, let's get twisted or whatever. Isn't that what it's called? Twisted ramen? Twisted... I'll look at it. Three minutes, huh? Twisted Noodles Ramen Soup. Okay. So, yeah, how's it going? It's Thursday. And it really feels like Thursday. It's kind of a Thursday kind of feeling. Actually, it's not. I feel like crap. Wow. My wife, she feel like crap too. In fact, I believe my son and daughter also feel like crap. They're at school though. But we're being lazy today. Kinda. We didn't do our walk. We wanted to do our walk, but it was kind of a mutual tap out on that. And we were just gonna go to the grocery store, see if we could find a thing to put noodles in, pumpkin spice oatmeal. Because the Walmart pumpkin spice oatmeal I got is like bland, and a neat salt and pepper shaker. Now it turns out they actually make a pumpkin spice goldfish cracker, which is tempting. Wow, really? They think that this is going to be hydrated in 3 minutes. It's halfway done, and I'm not so sure about that, folks. Some thick noodle. Looks weird. I don't know if there's any meat in it. I don't know if it's vegan or vegetarian. It's got wheat gluten in it. I'm looking for... There's dried corn, parsley, peas, corn, spices, artificial flavor, disodium inosonate, disodium guanylate, extract of turmeric, don't buy this if it's like broken open. That's cool. But it looks to be vegetarian. It doesn't say it. I really don't know anything about the Twisted Noodles company. Or where, what, how. Is this like from Urban Outfitters or something? I really don't know. But it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to give it a final stir and then sample this. I do see what resembles a pea. Often though, I've seen peas be a little bit more green. But what gets me about this one is it says that it's made in the United States. And I kind of have a tough time believing that. I don't know. But the noodle is thick, so we're going to give this a try. It certainly does not look well hydrated. In fact, 3 minutes. It says it all over the side. Ready in 3 minutes. Huh? Cheers. No. No. Are you people high? It's not hydrated. Very bready, almost like a tortilla. And less flexible than a tortilla. So, yeah, given the 3-minute cook time, this is a fail at that. Here's the broth. Salty, chicken-ish. Yeah. Wow, these shoelaces, I mean, noodles just aren't hydrated very well. Holy cow. Wow. I don't know what to say about that. If you're starving and hungry, that's fine. It'll be a food. It's edible. Is it something that makes you go, hey, I want to have that again? If it does, good for you. For me personally, this is horrible. And you know, I want to thank old James from Lakeside, California, yet again for sending me something I haven't tried. See, it doesn't make me, like, feel bad that it's not one that I like. I mean, I feel bad that it's, you know, something made, another thing made in the U.S. that I dislike. But, no, I like getting stuff that is possibly getting 0 stars. I don't know. If in a few minutes it's hydrated enough to be a little more palatable, I might give it a more than 0 stars. That's how bad this stuff is. Just, wow. I wish we can perk it up a little bit with some canned chicken and an egg. More than it deserves. I almost feel like asking, come on, Noodle, did I do something wrong? Oh, I should use the crummy egg. Oh, well. I'll make it pretty. Yeah. Some spring onion. What does the picture on the package look like? Look at that. Can you see that? It looks like somebody just like slammed the bowl down on the table after tasting it. Damn it, I was hungry. This is crap. Yeah. Cuz all the garnish is flying everywhere. I mean, yeah, it's just yeah, truly unimpressed. Did somebody try this before you made it? Like, somebody with taste buds? See, I bet this would be pretty decent if you cooked it on the stove. That might be a horse of a different color, but currently this is just kind of a dead horse. Put it out to pasture. It's time to make glue out of the hooves. I mean, wow. But yeah, you know, I can't give something 0 stars, even if it's not according to the instructions to let it sit a little longer. My take on it is if it's not hydrated enough, somebody go, oh, well, I'm just going to let it sit for a couple more minutes. That's generally not how I like to review, but for something like this, I mean, it's like, if you let it sit for a couple more minutes, if it's okay, and then I'll give it at least something a little. I'm not going to give it a shutout, but I don't know if that's going to happen, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that was definitely not one that I really can recommend or approve of. However, this one might be good. This came by way of Ferengi from Australia. She's part of the Section 42 team that moderates the Ramen Junkies group. And this is from Indonesia. This is Migalas Protivit Rasa Soto Ayam. So it's going to be like a lime chicken, Indonesian variety. And you make it in a mug. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.